everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are dehydrating potatoes, so I'm just going to real quickly show you how to do it. So I have two of my dehydrators and they are ready to go. I have my potatoes that have been washed. I have about 30 pounds that I'm going to be going through. And then I have cold water in my bowl here, and in the cold water, I have a sprinkling of citric acid. You could also use absorbic acid, fruit fresh. Any of those are going to help your potatoes not turn black. If you do not do this step, they will turn black. Now, some things will say that you need to cook it first, or blanch your potatoes before you do the dehydrating process. However, I've done it both ways, and both ways turn out just fine. I can't tell a difference. So I skip the step of blanching, and I just do the little cold water soak, and then go straight in to the next step, which is so easy. Are you ready for it? You take your potatoes, and mine are thinly sliced. You don't have to use one of these cutters, but it helps a lot with everything dehydrating at the same time. And then just a single layer on your dehydrator. That is all there is to it. I don't peel them. The peel stays on, everything stays on, and it's just a single layer on your dehydrator, and then you let it go. There you go. And then you just let it go until there's no more, until they're crispy. So here is a batch I did last night, and I will show you what I'm talking about. So, I hope you can hear that. They are crisp. That is what you want. That is how you know that they are ready. So what I do is I let these go until they are to this stage. I turn off my dehydrator. I let it sit until everything cools down, and then I will put them in a jar and vacuum seal them. And guys, that's how easy it is. It does not get any simpler. My main problem is just not having enough trays to do all 30 pounds at once. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I hope that it inspires you to maybe put some food back. It's so easy. I was gifted the 30 pounds of potatoes, and I can't go through them fresh in that amount of time. So this is what I'm doing with them. I personally like freezing and dehydrated potatoes better than canned. So that is also, for anyone that wonders why I'm not canning them, that's why I'm not canning them. They're just not my favorite compared to freezing and dehydrating. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.